What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to show you all how to play One More Chance by Russ. And here we got the capo on the 4th fret, and I'm just gonna quickly cover this one because it's actually pretty easy to play on guitar, the exact same thing going throughout the whole song. So let's put the capo on the 4th fret. Make sure you have the capo on the 4th fret. If you don't have a capo, bring me up in the comment down below. So let's dive into the lesson straightforward. We start off playing A major chord. Have a look at the tab. The first tab you see, the score you see there is actually an A major, which is mute, open, second, 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 open. So A major, mute, open, second, 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 open. So we just play that from the A string till the high E string, the full chord basically. We strum it once slowly, touching all the individual strings. And after that, we actually play one variation of the A major chord, which is basically A major 7. Now how I play the A major 7, just have a look. I have the open A string. You got, like for the A major chord, you got the 2nd fret on the G string. But when you just go back a fret, or you just go half step down, it's actually you got the 7 over here, a major 7. So A major has a major 7. So you got open, second, first, second, open. Sounds beautiful, looks like a triangle. A major 7. What you do is you just have open, second, first, and you have the B string also open. You play the A string, you play the G string, you play the B string together. And as soon as you play that, make sure with your ring finger you just do a hammer on the 2nd fret of the B string. So you got, and then with the thumb we do a strum from the A string till the B string. I'll repeat that. So we got, and this goes throughout the whole song, and that's the reason I showed you. It's very straightforward. Now just to spice up things a bit, I like to add another chord, which is basically a D major 7, which is mute, mute, open, and my index finger does all the work. It's on the 2nd fret of the G string, B string, and the high E string. So what I do is sometimes I alter it. Like instead of playing the A major chord, I play the D major 7. I do one down. Like the A major, I just do one down. And I repeat the exact same thing. Next time A major 7, D major 7, A major 7, A major, A major 7, D major 7, A major 7, A major 7. And that's basically everything. And now there's one small slight melody we have, or you can see a riff, small riff, which we have in the song, which is basically a slide from 4th fret to the 5th fret on the high E string. It goes in a row for 2 times. So we have 2, 3, 4. So we got a slide from 4 to 5. Next time you do a slide from 4 to 5, and you bring that to the 2nd fret of the B string. So you 2nd fret of the high E string. So we got 4, 5. The next time 4, 5, go 2nd fret on the high E string. And the next time you're just gonna do a hammer on from open to 2nd on the high E string, and rest for another bar over there. So we got 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 3, 4, and that's basically everything for this lesson. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these, subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And yeah, I'm actually very much fast with the songs. Whenever I see any song coming out, I just try to do that as fast as possible with tabs and with the most accurate arrangement also on the other side. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, like if that helps you out, and drop me a comment down below any other song by Russ that you want on guitar, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.